Hello everyone. The former president of South Africa, Thabo Mbeki, has paid tribute to Mangosuthu Buthelezi, saying he was a towering figure in the evolution of South African society. Mbeki said that Buthelezi left an indelible mark in the country because of the contribution he made over the years. He said this was also the time to reflect on the commitments the country made 3 decades ago to build a non-racial society. Buthelezi was also a custodian of Zulu culture and tradition. Mbeki was joining a number of leaders who have started paying tribute to the former IFP leader. Mbeki worked with Buthelezi in 2 administrations after 1994 elections. Former President Nelson Mandela appointed Buthelezi as the Minister of Home Affairs in 1994. When Mbeki took over from Mandela in 1999, he reappointed Buthelezi to the position. Mbeki said that the death of Buthelezi was a loss to the nation. He said, Prince Buthelezi has been and will always be a towering and significant historical figure in the evolution of the South African society. His life and work have left in an indelible mark in the shaping of our political landscape during the liberation struggle and the reconstruction of a democratic South Africa. A loyal custodian of Zulu traditions and culture, Ushenge will also be remembered for his unwavering champion of lifelong learning and education. As we reflect on his life and work, may we use the moment to revisit to the ideals to which we bound ourselves almost 30 years ago to build ours into a united, non-racial, non-sexist, and democratic society which truly belongs all who live in it, united in our diversity. Political parties have also paid tributes to Buthelezi. The government and the parliament have also said Buthelezi played a significant role in the history of the country. Share your views on this one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.